anywhere you are. You can be able to start earning 400,000 naira per month by trading cryptocurrency. Yes, it is possible. You can be able to do this. If you are a content creator, social media advertiser, whatever thing you are doing, a marketer, a trader, physical product trader, you can be able to trade cryptocurrency. By this opportunity that I have made for you on this tutorial video, you can be able to do this. I have unlocked 3 secrets for you. You can use these 3 secrets to grow your income more and more while trading cryptocurrency. You only concentrate in your profit. That is what I have locked on this tutorial. So look at this chart. You can see the orders range that I am getting. This is one of the tutorial I'm talking about. You can be able to do this and you can be ranking a profit on daily basis. So what are you waiting for? Are you going to be waiting only when Mark Zuckerberg will pay you on your social media, on your videos and other things? Why can't you now start trading? You can be able to be paying yourself on daily basis from your profit, and also you can be able to wait for them, your social media account, to pay you as well. So lock this secret today. This secret is 3 secrets that I have prepared for you. 3 secrets that you need to unlock. Click on the button below, click on the link right now and get it for just 1,000 naira. That is from 15,000 to 1,000 naira. I made it possible for everybody so that everybody can be able to get knowledge about this and start earning by themselves. Okay, so don't waste time. Click on the button below and get access to this tutorial right now, and thank me later. Come back and thank me on the comment, because this is going to absolutely help you and rank your profiting every single day.